Hey there, audio enthusiasts, welcome back to my channel. Today, I will show you how to upgrade your car music system. As someone who's been turning cars into rolling concert halls for years, I'm excited to share my top tips with you. Before we get started, make sure to click that subscribe button. Also, check out the link in the description for more detailed information on car audio upgrades. Now, let's jump right in. Tip number 1. Understand your system components. First things first, you need to know what you're working with. Your car audio system is made up of several key components including the head unit or receiver, speakers, amplifier, subwoofer, crossovers, and digital signal processors. Each of these plays a crucial role in delivering that perfect sound. In my experience, upgrading even one of these can make a world of difference. Tip number 2. Start with the head unit. The head unit is the brain of your audio system. Upgrading to a modern unit with features like Bluetooth streaming, Apple CarPlay, or Android Auto can dramatically improve your audio experience. I've installed countless head units, and trust me, it's often the best place to start. Tip number 3. Don't skimp on speakers. Factory speakers leave a lot to be desired. Investing in high-quality aftermarket speakers can significantly boost your sound clarity and depth. I remember the first time I replaced a client's stock speakers. The look on their face when they heard the difference was priceless. Tip number 4. Consider adding an amplifier. An external amplifier can take your sound to the next level. It provides more power to your speakers, resulting in cleaner, louder audio with less distortion. I always advise my clients that if they want to feel the music, not just hear it, an amp is the way to go. Tip number 5. Implement crossovers and digital signal processors. This is where we get into the real fine-tuning. Crossovers help direct the right frequencies to the right speakers, while digital signal processors (DSPs) allow for advanced sound tuning and optimization. I've used these to transform decent systems into extraordinary ones. With a good DSP, you can adjust time alignment, equalization, and even create custom sound profiles for different genres or drivers. It's like having a professional sound engineer in your car at all times. Tip number 6. Don't forget about installation. Here's where many DIY enthusiasts go wrong. Proper installation is crucial for optimal performance and longevity. This includes using high-quality wiring, ensuring proper grounding, and carefully routing cables. I've seen countless botched installations, and trust me, it's worth doing right the first time. Remember, upgrading your car audio is a journey, not a destination. It's about crafting a sound that's perfect for you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more car audio tips and tricks. And for a more in-depth guide on car audio upgrades, check out the link in the description below. Until next time, keep those tunes pumping and enjoy the ride.